Good morning. We are about to get back into the 80s. Me and my family been doing a lot of traveling, so I've been looking for a way to carry some stuff around without having a big bag, without having my hands full. So we are about to check out the new Kipbelif running belt or waist pack. They dare not call it a fanny pack because that's what they called it in the 80s. But we've been seeing a lot of people using these recently. And like I said, with all of our travels, we needed something to be able to carry our stuff without having our hands filled so we could take videos and have fun with the family. So let's get into it and see what it looks like. Alright, so as we see here, we have some water-resistant zippers. I always like to see these. They're like almost sealed at the top. And it has almost like a neoprene feel to the outside. And looks like it has a rubber-like plastic liner on the inside. So this is going to be like almost waterproof. Got a nice mesh pocket divider in here, and it looks like it's pretty roomy. It's got room in the back as well as the front. It also has the headphone jack or charging jack from the front, so you basically just slip it through here and it can come up and you can listen to it. Alright, looks like it's also expandable. Small or large. Same on the other side. And this one also has quite a bit that you can expand. Alright. Inside has like a little bit of a money pouch or a small compartment. So that's cool. Also looks like it's going to be waterproof. Has the water-resistant zipper. And then as you notice here, it also has some elastic stretchiness to the band here. It says that it is good for people up to 50 inches. As me and my family have been on keto, I am no longer anywhere near 50 inches, but it's great that it accommodates everyone in the family. On the back it has a nice little mesh, so it allows it to breathe, as well as doesn't chafe very much. And looks like it's actually built pretty well. It's double stitched, so that adds to the durability a little bit. I'm actually kind of happy with this. So it actually fits really nicely close, and the great thing about it is it's easily movable to whatever side that you want. It does have the stretchy sides, so it accommodates well for running and moving. And the great thing is like if you're out traveling, you have your stuff in, you can just turn it all the way around. You can wear it just like a belt, very easy. And as you see, it has the little clasps here on the side, and it attaches really nicely, and it has good holding while you're wearing it. One other nice feature is the waterproof zippers also have reflectors, so if you are a runner, people can see you while you're running, and it has reflectors all the way around so that you make sure you don't get hit while running. Nice safety feature.